Welcome back, everybody. I'm in Pueblo, Colorado at the Pueblo Chili and Frijoles Festival. Come to visit my buddy Joey Musso at Musso Farms. They're the premier chili provider.
We've been doing this for 29 years in downtown Pueblo. We eat green chilies on our sandwiches. We eat green chilies on our tacos. We eat green chilies on our cheeseburgers. We eat green chilies on our hot dogs. We eat green chilies on everything.
I'm back home from the Chili Festival. What an amazing time. I always have a blast down there with Musso Farms. I made a little Instagram reel showing you how I process the green chilies. Chilies! This is what they come into the house looking like. So I pull these out of the refrigerator and we have roasted Pueblo green chili. Go to my sink, rinse off all the skin. This year is a really easy peeling year with the crop. I open up the pepper. We get all the seeds out. Then we chop the stems off. Scrape out any extra seeds. And into the pile for the freezer. Let's make a classic green chili cheeseburger. I found these at Sam's Club. Prime rib beef steak burgers. These should be outstanding with green chili. Oh yeah. I notice more and more of the grocery stores around here are starting to get prime rib burgers, ground prime rib in stock. I have the Blackstone Pro Series 36 medium low. Pro Series seems to burn hotter than the other units, so I can crank that down a little bit. If you're on a smaller 17 or 22-inch griddle, you might need to be cranked up all the way on high. Today we just so happen to be using extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna use the Essential Blend. I love it. Simple, salt, pepper, garlic, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. And we'll season the second side up as well. Don't be shy when it comes to seasoning. My Pueblo green chili straight out of the freezer. Perfect. I think we are gonna make these sandwich size, so a nice big slice like that. Time for the flip. Oh my goodness, perfect sear. These are big, thick burgers. I'm gonna go ahead and back that temperature down. We need the internal temp of those patties to come up. Tillamook extra sharp cheddar cheese. Whoo, baby, you gotta be bold to eat it extra sharp. I love the fact that you can press your burgers on a Blackstone. You're not gonna get a flare up. There's not an open flame. We're gonna do these with a fried egg. The green chili is already roasted. I'm just gonna put it down on the griddle for a few seconds, down with that extra sharp cheddar, followed by our slice of roasted green chili. It's been a few minutes. We could probably remove our egg rings. Egg rings are nice because they keep the eggs circular, just like our hamburger buns. Today we're using the Nature's Own perfectly crafted brioche hamburger buns. A little bit of mayo inside the crown and the heel makes it golden brown when it's toasted. The eggs have set up really nice. We're gonna put them on top of the green chili and down for a toast of the brioche roll. The buns are done, golden brown. A little bit of mayo on the heel. I'm feeling crazy, so a little bit of mustard as well. Let's plate them up. I'll put the bun on top. Take a look at that. This is a Colorado Pueblo green chili burger. The whole time I'm at the chili festival, this is what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about eating green chili. Ooh-wee. Are you ready for this? Here we go. This is what it's all about. And this is why people like an egg on their green chili burgers. I don't know if I said take a look at that yet, but go ahead, take a look at that. The sun is going down, but I am hungry. Here we go. Let's give it a try. And that's why they call me 2-Bite Todd. But hey, let's go in for third. A third and a bonus. 4-Bite Todd. That's what it's all about. Delicious. Green chili burger. I can still remember the first time I ever had one. Now, a lot of you, especially out there on the East Coast, you've had green chili burgers at diners, and they just use the canned green chilies, the old El Paso green chilies. They're nasty. That's old stuff. I'm talking fresh green chili. So maybe you don't have access to a Pueblo green chili like we do here. You probably have access to the famous Hatch green chili out of New Mexico. You can get those flown worldwide. They're frozen, they're delicious. But a green chili burger, there's really nothing like it. So I appreciate you watching. I need to make a few more of these up and give them to the family. Make sure you're checking out all of our shows on the Blackstone Network because we have a lot of them and we have more almost every single week. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the green chili burger.